are you guys doing today? It's been a very long time. Today I have a haul for you guys. I bought and purchased all of this on the Shop Miss A website. Everything in this haul was mostly $1 only. So I hope you guys enjoy. It was super cheap and inexpensive, and I mean, why not buy a brow product that's $1? Come on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up and keep on watching. So this is the box it came in. I bought a lot, so that's why it came in a box. I'm not gonna lie, I bought like 50 items, so there's 50 items to show you guys. All right, so the first thing I bought was this liner pencil. It's like so thin and so small, but I decided to actually use this for things like painting. I've really been getting into painting lately, and something very thin and small like this is gonna really help for like detail kind of stuff. I did also buy some lashes. I bought the rose lashes, which are on the site, and I bought the Luella lashes as well. I also bought some sponges. Now, when you go on the site, look around. Also check the reviews. I also went onto YouTube and researched this sponge, if it was good or not. I heard it was amazing. I heard it's better than the Beauty Blender, which is like shocking. But I can't wait to actually try this out for myself, and maybe I can just do a review for you guys. And you have to check which one it is. This one's the Wonder Blender, so you definitely get the Wonder Blender. So I bought 6 of these. I bought 3 tier ones and 3 of these like dented ones, I guess. So I'm gonna open it up so I can try it out and see if it feels soft. But from the packaging, I can already tell like it's gonna be super soft. Wow, that's amazing. That's so cool. This is gonna be really good. I already know it. Like, I already feel it. So I also did buy a face mask brush. This is like a rubbery type of brush, and I'll show you up close so you can kind of see how it looks. It's a pink one. It's so cute. I can't wait to use this. So for my brows and for nails, I bought a nail file and a brow razor set, which is gonna be very interesting. It has the brush to, you know, brush them out, and also to kind of shape them. It is $1, so that was very convenient. And I also bought the crystal nail file. It looks super good quality from what I see right now. I'm going to use this for, you know, when I do my nails. I do not know if you guys know, but usually the main thing when I do my makeup is my brows. I love doing my brows. I love taking my time. If I do my brows good, then the rest is, you know, easy for me. So I usually need tweezers. So I heard really good things about these tweezers. Okay, so the next few things, like the box is full. What am I talking about? The next thing I'm gonna show you that I bought was this brush cleaner. I think you just put it on your fingers like that and just use a brush and clean it. So like example, let me show you like this. Obviously just put like cleanser on it so you can clean it correctly. If you guys don't know, this company does not only just sell makeup, they sell stationery, they sell accessories, stuff like that. I bought a couple accessories. One of the first accessories I'm gonna show you are these earrings. When I first bought them, I didn't know what to expect. I really didn't see any reviews. I don't think I did, but they are a set of 6. They're a set of 6 earrings, and they're so cute. Like literally, I've been into hoop earrings, as you can see. These are so cute, but these are nice. This was $1 for 6 pairs of earrings. This was $1. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so the next jewelry that I bought, so this one's hypoallergenic, it says in the packaging, and it's surgical steel as well. And like I said, I've been into small, big, medium hoop earrings, and these are pretty good. Okay, so everything that I've showed you from this point has been $1 except for the beauty blenders. I actually forgot to say that this is not $1. This is $1.55. This is $1.55 because the 55 cents go to charity. So basically you're paying $1. Like I said before, it's supposed to be better than the actual beauty blenders. So another thing that they do have on their site is hair ties. I don't know how many there are in this packet, but there's like 5 different colors. We have a white, we have a tan, we have a brown, and we have a black. They look pretty small than what you actually see on the site, but they are pretty stretchy. They don't look like they're gonna break. Most hair ties break or I lose them. So for me, I want to be able to, you know, buy a ton of these and, you know, lose them if I wanted to, or like break them if I wanted to, and still have a ton. Okay, so I still have a lot to show you, but I really want to talk about the Smooth Definition pressed powder. When I saw this, I didn't really know if I wanted to, you know, buy it. So I bought 2 of these. I don't know where's the other one because I opened it already. So I found it. Okay, so the packaging is not the prettiest, but it's inside what matters. So this does look like my skin tone. My main focus when I do my makeup is usually my brows, bronzer, a little bit of blush and foundation, and that's about it. I don't do lips or eyeliner, so when I could find a new product to do my makeup, and it just makes it a little bit more exciting. I don't know if you guys remember, but there used to be this brand called NYC, and they used to sell a bronzer. I think they discontinue it because I can't find it, and this looks so similar to it. I also have makeup removing wipes. These are in the green tea scent, I guess. There's 15 each one, but you know, these are going to be very good because I'm always, you know, using them. Literally, I'll go through that in one day. So I bought this brush for one reason only, and it's for my brows. So I love using brushes like this to, you know, put concealer right here and, you know, kind of conceal them up. Okay, surprisingly, we have a little bit more. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. It's super tiny. I was thinking about it, like, why is this so small? It's actually just the packaging. So I actually want to show you a side-by-side comparison. So I did buy the NYX Tape and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. So this packaging is super big, and this is the AOA Studio Brow Pomade. So I want to show you the difference, and you'll kind of see how they look. So I actually was looking at the packaging, and this is actually 5 grams, and this is 5 grams as well. So if this ends up being a very, very good pomade, I will keep you guys updated, because this could be pretty good for people that, you know, don't want to spend $7, and you guys can get 7 of these. I'll definitely keep you updated and see how that works as well. So I bought these brow pencils. These are the ones that you can twist up or twist down and have the little brush at the end. I will show you that in a second, but I want to say that I also saw reviews on these, and I heard they were really, really good. I will swatch it for you so you can kind of see how it is. This is how it looks, and we also have the brush at the end. Okay, so I did buy concealers. I bought 2 of the AOA Studio concealers. I'm actually gonna swatch these for you so you can kind of see. I heard decent reviews about these. Some were good, some were bad. Some say that they dry very, very fast. But these are the colors. Okay, so I bought these loose eyeshadows, and they're from the brand Princesa. One's in 32 and one is in 104. One is purple and the other one is like a brown type of color. I mean, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking beautiful. Look at that. So I also bought these Amuse eyeshadows. I wanted to try them out, see how they looked, see how they felt. I don't know, it might just be me, but these look super nice in my eyes, and they're huge. This one's cinnamon. This one is paprika, which is a very nice tone. So we have 4 more things to go through. I bought these glow liquid eyeshadows. I bought 2 of these. This one is the one called Acid. I think the packaging is so cute. It's just so cute. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, so this one's Acid. So we're gonna swatch this. this color is freaking adorable. So the next one is Wave. This one is a blue color. I don't know if it's just me, but I just never do like it on my lids, but I want to try it out. I'm gonna give it a go and see how this looks. So we are in the last two things. I bought this eyelash adhesive to use with my lashes that I bought. Like I said earlier in this video, I don't really do lips, so when my lips are a little bit dry, I like to put a gloss. It's in the scent Apple, and oh, that looks so nice. I would say it's a little bit sticky for $1 to have that nice glossy lip. It is really nice. Okay, so I did lie. This is the last product I'm gonna show you. This was actually $10.55. The reason is because it has 10 brushes inside, and the 55 cents actually goes to charity. So basically you are paying $1 for each brush. This is a crease brush, as you can see, and it's so soft. It looks like and feels like it will work amazing. I heard really good reviews about these, and for $10, like, that's a good steal, especially like how much you get. There's literally 10 brushes. That is amazing. That's a steal, like I said, and I can't wait to use all of them with the different eye looks that I will create. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I leave, I want to say that this is not going to just be a channel for beauty. I wanted to, you know, expand a little bit more and just have videos with my family. I have a lot of videos planned already. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to make more videos. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.